So that's your basic introduction to Atahualpa theme styling. Now what you have to get and what makes this thing so beautiful and so powerful, well, there's a number of things, but the first is that each element on this site can be configured, can be styled through its own CSS entry in the Atahualpa configuration. So, for example, let's say that we wanted this recent post to come up in white on a dark blue background. Very simple. Go to Atahualpa Options. Under Style and Configure Widgets. And we're just going to configure the widget title box with a background of blue, and the widget title with a color of white. Save that. Back to the site, refresh. And there we go. I might put a little bit darker blue to make it attractive. Maybe use this dark blue color here. So let's ColorZilla eyedropper that. That's a 21 3D 48. And you could also naturally put a background image. Where am I here? And this is just this is just an example to to show you how much you can do. Each of these elements can be configured separately, and if you keep on working at it, you're going to end up with a very nice looking site. Okay, so it's already beginning to look much better, and we're just starting working on it. Obviously, the site would look better if there were some images on the home page. So for the rest, really, you're only limited by your imagination and by your knowledge of CSS. Atahualpa has many options that I really can only scratch the surface of everything that you can do. If you have any questions, I suggest you go to the BFA support forum and post the question there, and or browse some of the topics that other people have posted. It's a very thorough, active, very friendly forum. Just Google BFA forum. And just maybe one or two more things I want to show you. You can do custom CSS inserts. One of the things that I find is the the header fonts in Atahualpa are a bit too large. So we'll just add HTML CSS. You could just say .h1. Actually, I think it's like h1 font size 24 points, h2 font size 20 points, and h3 font size 16 points. If you want this to stick, you're also going to have to configure the title. The article title size, which is in the, I believe it's in page post info items. No, sorry, style posts and pages, right here under. You notice all of these boxes, these kicker box and and other options, bylines and so forth. These are all custom fields on your page, so you can have a bunch of extra fields that show on your blog's page by just configuring them in your custom fields on the post or the page that you are interested in. So, for example, the headline box links hover. If you want a font size of 20 pixels, this is where you would put it. And the headline box links, you would probably put it there too. You know, I like to change my colors for my headlines. That the sort of the default gray color is a bit boring. So you can save that and see if that has any effect. Yeah, so it's changed the article headline to blue and made it a bit smaller. So that's good. I think maybe I would like it a bit darker blue, but you know, you get the idea. This is a separate font, by the way. This is the font of the post within the page that it's showing on. It's a different setting, but if you look in that area, you'll find it. The other thing that's really cool about Atahualpa is the ability to add custom widget areas in different places in your layout. And there's at least 3 places you can do that. You can add anywhere in the header area here. You can add one anywhere in the sidebar, and you can also add anyone at the beginning or bottom of center page. And the way to do that is go under theme options, add new widget area. Very well explained as usual. Just, you know, cut and paste the minimum code here, and let's go to the header area. And in this header area, this can actually take custom HTML or PHP. There's many areas in Atahualpa that will take custom PHP. Cut and paste that new widget area. So this will appear. This will create a widget area right underneath the pages navigation bar. Then save changes. You know, you do need to refresh your site a couple times for that to take effect. So let's hope that that's enough. Now if you go into your appearance widgets, you have my new widget area there, and then just fill it with the text widget. You know, is this cool or what? Let's say new widget area title and widget area text, and this will be styled, of course, according to the default styling of widget areas, and you can change this individually by writing custom CSS in the HTML CSS inserts, like I told you before. There's a lot more that we can do with this. I may be producing a more advanced video for my class participants, for the WordPress 101 course participants. Check my site and then just refresh this, and here we go, new widget area title and new widget area text. Notice that the title is in white with the blue background, which is how we've defined widget areas, and this will now appear on every page. So that's it. That's it for today. You're welcome to go to my site, wordpressacademy.biz, and sign up for my free ebook that that contains a lot of other WordPress related topics and resources and training videos. The ebook, the Quick Start ebook, Build Your First Site in 2 Hours, is free. So please, help yourself, and good luck with everything. And I will see you on the other side. Feel free to ask me questions, email me. We have a full range of training packages, and we also do custom website design.